This is a demo of the Lumen runtime. For the first demo, we have selected the spawn chain demo from Dave Thomas's Programming Elixir book. I always use this demo to show off to people that it's really cheap to create processes, and that you don't have to think of them the way you would threads in other languages. Right now, the Lumen compiler isn't ready, but the BIFs are. So I hand-rolled the calling convention for the stack frames. But it does show that processes, scheduling, etc. does work. So we're going to take this code that I manually converted to Rust to call the BIFs that I had written for the Lumen runtime. As a first case, let's do it with 1. We should get the number back printed as result is. Here you can see I've left in the logging so that we can see how big the run queues are for the scheduler. Let's go up to 2 to make sure it doesn't fall over. Continues just fine. Let's make it interesting. Let's go up to 1,000. Works fine. How big can we go? 10,000. Still hunky-dory. 100,000? As you can see, this is much slower than running on the native host. I haven't done any optimization yet, and probably because of the way the stack frames are represented, there's no having the actual variables in the Erlang stack be in registers. Hopefully, by using LLVR in the actual compiler, we'll be able to make this much faster. I'm also very conservative and check after every BIF call whether we're out of reductions. When realistically, we could just see if we're nowhere close to the 4,000 reductions and then just keep going and not have to consistently do the checks. So there we ran 100,000 processes, all adding 1 and then returning to the previous caller in 40 seconds.